Hi there, this is Mike from Wondershare Dr.Fone. If you're new to this channel, then hit that subscribe button. Believe me, you'll learn a lot of tips here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your Android phone, even if you've forgotten the password. If you forget the passcode to your Android phone, or you buy a second-hand phone and you don't know the passcode, you can still unlock it by using the third-party software Dr.Fone. With Dr.Fone, you can easily unlock your Android phone in 5 minutes. Download it via the link in the description below. Open up Dr.Fone on your computer and select Screen Unlock. Now connect up your Android device to your computer and then select Unlock Android Screen. Dr.Fone is now going to detect the device and then download the necessary files needed for this process. Now the process is complete, select Unlock Now. Follow the on-screen instructions for your phone to get it into recovery mode. So for my device, I want to turn off the device and then press the volume up and power button for a few seconds. When the Me logo appears, I want to let go and then I want to choose recovery and then press OK. Now I want to follow the instructions on the screen on my phone. So I want to wipe the data first, confirm it, and then reboot it and confirm. And that's it. It's as simple as that with Dr.Fone. We all know that if you factory reset your phone, all of your phone data will be erased. So I will recommend you back up your files before doing that. Luckily, you can also back up and restore your files using Dr.Fone. Open up Dr.Fone on your computer and select Phone Backup. Now click Backup and your phone will connect to Dr.Fone. Select the media that you wish to back up and then click Backup. Now Dr.Fone will back up all the data from your phone to the computer so that you can use that data on another phone. It's super simple, isn't it? When your screen is unlocked by Dr.Fone, you can factory reset it with a few clicks. The steps may vary according to different Android phones, but not too much. To hard reset Android phones, all that you need to do is go to Settings, then scroll all the way down, go to System, and then go to Reset, and then click Reset All Settings. Obviously, these all depend on the phone that you're using. Now you have learned how to factory reset your Android phone, even without knowing your passcode. If this video has been useful to you, then please give us a like and share this with your friends. It really helps us out. But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.